So I'm going to show you guys how to do this cute fishtail summer braid in your hair. So you're just going to take a section of hair I took from this area here. So I'm just going to take some hair like so. And you kind of want to make it even from the hair that you took. So you kind of get an idea of how much hair. And honestly, a fishtail braid is super easy because it only entails 2 pieces of your hair. So pretty much what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your hair and you're gonna separate it in 2 and kind of try to hold it like this. So this is in between these 2 fingers, and then this one, I kind of hold it, but it transitions to my thumb and my index finger. So basically what you're gonna do is you are gonna take a hair from this side, transfer it to the other side and hold. Same with this. Take the hair from this side, transfer it over and hold. So you're always going to have 2 pieces of hair, and basically you're switching back and forth 1 piece of hair to each side. So you're just going to keep doing that till you get to the bottom. So I'm going to keep working on this, and then as you can see, as I go down, it starts to form this shape, which is a fishtail. So as you can see, that's how it's forming. And then you're just gonna keep going all the way down. So I'm just gonna fast forward this part so you guys can see towards the end how it looks. So once again, don't forget, you're gonna take 1 piece of hair, transfer it over, take 1 piece of hair, transfer it over. 1 piece of hair, transfer over, 1 piece of hair, transfer over. And I'll be back. So once you get towards the bottom, you're going to take a rubber band and you're going to leave a little bit of space between the bottom of the braid and the rubber band, like this, because what you're going to do is you're going to be expanding the braid just to make it a little bit wider so that it's not as tight. So you can see this one's a little looser and this is a little tighter. So you're going to take it and you're just going to start stretching the braid out just to loosen it a little bit, like that. And you can make it as loose as you'd like. So I'm gonna just make it a little bit looser. And this is the final look. So it's such a cute hairstyle for the summer, and just to add a little bit of extra little pizzazz to your hair instead of it just being like flat or straight. And you can put this here, or you can do it in other areas of your head. If you wanted to kind of pin it, you can also do that as well. If you want to tie them in the back, you can. So I think it's just a very versatile look, and that is pretty much it. Thank you guys. Bye.